Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic of my video is scientific benefits of fasting. And before going into details of scientific literature related to fasting, let me tell you one thing. We don't really need scientific articles to prove the importance of fasting or any other commandments given by Allah. These articles are just to understand importance of such commandments because Allah has stated in Quran that anything commanded to you is for your own benefit. And in order to understand importance of pillars of Islam, we just really need a common sense. Seriously, we don't really need to go in details of articles, but still, I will give some examples in this video so that you can understand that how important is it to do fasting. Now, common sense tells us that in order to get slim or reduce body weight, we really need to maintain a proper diet, increase break between two meals, and eat less and simple diet. And we know that decreasing risk of obesity will decrease risk of several diseases. These diseases include dementia, different types of cancer, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, osteoporosis, Parkinson, hypertension. Obesity can also increase risk of autism and kidney disorders. Now let's explore some scientific articles which prove benefits of fasting. 35 prospective studies found trend towards weight loss. Another study found that 12 weeks of intermittent fasting decreased body weight by 9%. Another very important benefit of fasting is that it can reduce blood sugar. As you can see, review of 10 studies found that on average, blood sugar can be reduced by 0.15 millimoles per liter. A study conducted in mice found that fasting can help protect against diabetic retinopathy. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is that it can protect against brain damage from stroke. It can help prevent Alzheimer and Huntington disorder and other neurodegenerative disorders, including Parkinson. In mice, it was found that lifespan can be increased by fasting, and it can delay onset of fatty liver and hepatocellular carcinoma. It can also increase lifespan of fruit flies. Another benefit of fasting is that it can reduce inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, it can decrease cancer risk, and reduce side effects of chemotherapy. Benefits of fasting also include decrease in arterial blood pressure. Fasting can improve lipid profile, can reduce systolic blood pressure. Fasting has beneficial effects on blood pressure. You might find certain research articles that might show that there is no significant effect on lipoproteins, or it can increase risk of diabetes or BDNF expression. So don't get confused by such articles because you must know the concept of modulation. Modulation is very important to maintain balance in our body. In modulation, if there is deficiency, then it will increase, and if there is already increased amount of certain hormone, then it will cause decrease. There are some certain factors due to which research studies are not consistent because physiology of every person and genetics is quite complicated and it can vary. And the duration of fasting in these studies are mostly different from the duration of fasting in Ramadan. So it is quite different. Remember, excess of everything is bad. And you must also know that fasting is not commanded to you because of these reasons only. Fasting is important so that you can learn patience, self-control, become more mindful towards blessings of God, and a reminder of plight of those who don't have enough food and water. Ramazan Mubarak everyone, and please like, share and subscribe.